irons are forged from high-quality dual steel and C45 carbon steel. Stubai offers a selection of 7 different styles. These tools are being preferred during the hand seaming process, and in today's age of high-tech machines, these tools are still important accessories for any sheet metal worker. Stubai is the leader in manufacturing plastic seaming pieces. Please notice the flat bottom side, which will protect the different metal surfaces. Plastic hammers are becoming more popular, since they are very durable and long-lasting. Stubai also offers wooden hammers with metal rings in 4 different sizes. Stubai gutter hanger bending tools is available in 2 different lengths, 600 and 800 mm. The bending angle is set by simply adjusting the wing screw. The tubular handles are coated with non-slip rubber grips for safe and comfortable use. Stubai single lock seamer is used for locking the first stage of a double standing seam system. It works ideal for fascias as well. Stubai double seamer is the innovative tool for locking both stages on standing seam system, simply by turning the tool around. Stubai trip edge bender allows you to make a clean bend over 90 degrees without leaving any marks. Stubai trip edge seamer is the follow-up tool to the trip edge bender. It permits the user to completely close the seam. Stubai offers a large selection of different marking tools, from scribers to marking blades, from graphite pencils to chalking wheels. Stubai delivers solutions in the marking business. Stubai's galvanized roofer square with flat stop eliminates slipping and allows 45-degree marking, available in 3 different sizes. Stubai's insulation knife with ergonomic handle, usable on both sides for different materials and available in 280 and 200 mm lengths. Stubai long hole plier punch with adjustable depth set can be simply operated by one hand. The punch out dimension is 14 mm in length. Soldering fluid bottles with spill stop and integrated brush is only one of the Stubai's innovations. Stubai special gutter cord roller with fluorescent colors, which guarantee better visibility and a long time lifespan. Please notice the flat side. It allows the user to set the tool on any surface without the tool running off. The Stubai gutter clamping device is easy and comfortable from above to handle. It guarantees the user a spaceless and clean gutter joint without scratching the material surface. Stubai manufactures the clamps in 4 different standard sizes. The Stubai gutter bracket lift is used for straightening out wrongly bent gutter brackets. These quality tools made of steel can be worked from above or below and fits all gutter bracket sizes. Stubai manufactures high-quality tools for the slate roofer as well, from the slate hammer to the slate bullets. Stubai is developing safety systems for the future. These innovative and advanced safety harnesses can be secured on 4 different steel hooks, front, back, and on both sides. These safety harnesses are available in 2 different sizes, extra small to medium and large to extra large. For more information and a complete product overview, please contact our headquarters. Stubai likes to thank you for your attention and wishes you great success with Stubai products.